Alright guys, so I told you I had another build coming up. This is my Mini-ITX build. It's a Coolmaster Elite 130. I am pretty impressed with it so far. A Coolmaster V700 that is a fully modular power supply. Let's see what we got here. I just picked up one of these Seagate SSDs, and this is the 240 gig version. I got it for like $129 on the Black Friday sale through Newegg. Go over here. So I got the impact board, like a Mini-ITX, the first ROG. Let's see, GTX 770, and I got the 4 gig version. And the main reason for that is when I do play games like Skyrim, I tend to run a crap load of add-ons, which actually take up a lot of memory. I am going to liquid cool this with an H60. It is slim, that's why I chose it. As you can see here, I had some old RAM I had lying around, but the obviously blue does not match the red and black scheme I was going for this, so I actually just removed the heat sinks and from these Corsair Vengeance. And this is 2133 RAM, and I'm really not impressed with these heat sinks. I think they're a big piece of shit, personally. I don't see how they were designed to ever keep anything cool. I think it'll perform much better without the heat sinks on them. Heat sink on them, and this is actually kind of what it looks like without it. It looks pretty nice, actually. I think it does anyways. So yeah, and processor, we'll be running an i5, and that is a 4670K. And that's pretty much it. I have a lot of work to do. This build is going to be quite compact. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you the hard drive I have here. It's a Seagate Barracuda. It is a 3 terabytes. So I should have picked up another one of those 240s and ran RAID 0, but I didn't. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, right guys? Oh well. But this build in all was probably about 1,300, maybe 14. Yeah, something around there. Something around there. That graphics card was quite a bit, but I wanted something that was going to last, and I was going to get the Radeon, the R9 290, but it just runs too damn hot, and it's too loud. I don't want something that loud being in my living room. I don't need it to sound like a jet engine, and I'm a big AMD fan. This is my first venture into NVIDIA, so we'll see how it goes. I'm pretty excited. I am not excited with Newegg shipping right now, but it did get here, so I should not complain. I guess there was a big storm in the mainland. I live in Hawaii, so it's a little... things ship slower out here, let's put it that way. So I'll give them the benefit of the doubt, snowstorm or whatever storm that was happening in the States. But again, just stay tuned, and I'll give you guys more updates as I go along, and I have some editing to do after this. Sorry if it is shaky. My nerves are shaky. So, but this will keep me occupied probably for the rest of the day, and I'm pretty happy about that. So I'm gonna do a build outside the system, mainly on top of that box, probably that one or that. I don't know which box I'll use, but I wanna make sure everything boots before I assemble everything. All right, be back in a few.